Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today we're going to play a game called Charades. Now in the game of Charades, you have a category and you're going to pick a character, an object, a thing from that category that you're going to have to imitate or try to have somebody guess. So you're going to require having a partner or somebody to play along with you. The more the merrier, it's more fun. So make sure you guys stay tuned. So I'm going to imitate a character that I loved growing up. This individual was part of a group that used to protect the world. Can you guess who it is? I'm gonna go and show you. Ready? And go. I'll give you a couple more seconds to think about it. Now stop! All right, if you guessed the Green Ranger, you are correct. It's time for you to take a turn now. Check it out.
Yeah.